Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the place where learning English feels calm, easy, and natural. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. Hi, everyone. It's really nice to be here today. How are you, Ava?
I'm doing great, Noah. Thank you. Maybe a little sleepy today. How about you?
I'm feeling very good, thanks. But yes, I understand. Sleepy. The weather today is a little gray.
It is. It looks like it might rain, and that's actually our topic today.
Oh, nice timing.
Yes, today we're talking about rainy days.
Rainy days. I really like that topic. They feel very cozy.
They do, but before we continue,
A small message for our wonderful listeners.
if you enjoy our conversations, please like this episode
Subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
and share it with friends or family who are learning English.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you so much. So, Ava, do you like the rain?
That's a good question. Yes, I do like rain, but only when I'm at home.
When you're warm and dry inside.
Exactly. Rainy days at home feel very calm to me.
Calm is a perfect word. I feel calm too, and the sound of rain is beautiful.
Oh, yes, the sound of rain on the window. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter.
It's like music.
Yes, nature's music.
So, what's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day at home?
I think my favorite thing is reading a book.
Oh, nice. What kind of books?
I like happy stories or a little mystery. Nothing too sad.
A mystery on a rainy day sounds perfect. Very cozy.
Yes, I make a cup of tea, sit on the sofa, use a warm blanket, and read quietly.
That sounds amazing. Very peaceful.
What about you, Noah? What's your perfect rainy day?
For me, instead of a book, I like watching movies.
Ah, a movie day.
Yes, especially old movies. Black and white ones sometimes.
Oh, very classic. Do you have a favorite type?
Usually a comedy. I like to laugh when the weather is gray.
That's a great idea. Laughter makes the day brighter.
Exactly. And of course, I need snacks.
Snacks are very important.
Popcorn, always.
Hot, buttery popcorn.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
And maybe some cookies.
Cookies are always a good idea, rain or no rain.
What do you drink on a cold, rainy day?
I love tea.
Nice. For me, hot chocolate.
Oh, yes. With marshmallows?
Of course, the little white fluffy ones.
They melt a little. So delicious.
It makes me feel like a kid again.
Speaking of childhood, do you have a rainy day memory?
Yes, I remember playing outside in the rain with my brother.
Outside? In the rain?
Yes, we wore raincoats and big rubber boots.
What color?
Mine were yellow, his were red.
I love that.
We jumped in puddles, splash, splash.
That sounds so fun.
We got very wet and very muddy.
And your mom?
Not happy at first, but later we had a hot bath and hot chocolate.
That's a beautiful memory. Do you listen to music on rainy days?
Yes, sometimes calm music, sometimes happy music.
Why happy music?
Because gray weather can make me feel, a little blah.
I understand that feeling.
So I play happy music and dance in my living room.
I love that idea, bringing sunshine inside.
What do you wear on rainy days?
Big, soft sweaters.
Warm, fuzzy socks.
Comfortable pants. Nothing fancy.
Comfort comes first.
Exactly.
We talked about so many things. Books, movies, snacks, music.
Memories, clothes, and cozy feelings.
Rainy days are not boring at all.
It's all about perspective.
Gray days can still be happy days.
I choose cozy and happy.
Me too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Here's a question for you.
What do you like to do on a rainy day?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
Like this episode and share it with a friend.
Stay cozy.
And keep practicing English.
Bye-bye.